Hey, what's up everyone? If you're here today, you're probably looking for some tips and tricks to help you save money and get your finances in order. Well, you've come to the right place because in this video, we're going to be talking about budgeting for beginners. That's right, we're going to teach you how to create a budget and save some serious cash. The importance of budgeting now. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of budgeting, let's talk about why it's so important. Budgeting is like a roadmap for your money. It helps you see where your money is going, what you're spending it on, and where you can cut back. By creating a budget, you'll be able to prioritize your spending, save money, and reduce your financial stress. How to create a budget? Okay, let's get down to business. Here's how to create a budget. Start by calculating how much money you earn each month. This includes any money you earn from your job, side hustles, or other sources of income. Next, track your expenses for a month. This includes fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and car payments, as well as variable expenses like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Once you've tracked your expenses, categorize them into different categories like housing, transportation, food, entertainment, etc. This will help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Determine how much money you want to save each month or set a specific financial goal you want to achieve, such as paying off debt or saving for a down payment on a house. Based on your income and expenses, allocate your money accordingly. Make sure you prioritize your expenses and savings goals and cut back on any unnecessary spending. Review your budget regularly to make sure you're staying on track. Adjust your budget as needed if your income or expenses change. Consider using a budgeting tool or app to help you track your expenses and stay on top of your budget. Remember, creating a budget is an essential step towards financial freedom. By tracking your income and expenses, prioritizing your spending, and setting savings goals, you'll be able to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Tips and tricks for saving money. Now that you know how to create a budget, let's talk about some tips and tricks to help you save money. First, cut back on eating out. It can be expensive, especially if you do it frequently. Try cooking at home more often, meal prepping, and bringing your lunch to work to save money. Before making a purchase, search for coupons or discount codes online. You may be able to save a significant amount of money on your purchase. In many cases, generic brands are just as good as name brands but cost less. Try switching to generic brands for things like groceries, cleaning supplies, and personal care items. When you use cash, you're more likely to stick to your budget and avoid overspending. Consider using cash for things like groceries, entertainment, and discretionary spending. Thrift stores can be a great place to find gently used clothing and other items at a fraction of the cost of new items. Many stores and brands offer loyalty programs that allow you to earn points or discounts on future purchases. Sign up for these programs to save money over time. Are you paying for a gym membership you never use? Do you have subscriptions to magazines or streaming services you don't read or watch? Cancel these subscriptions to save money each month. Whenever possible, from home repairs to haircuts, there are many things you can do yourself to save money. Try learning new skills and tackling DIY projects to save money on professional services. When you need to make a purchase, consider buying used items instead of new ones. You can often find used items in good condition for a fraction of the cost of new items. Final thoughts. Alright, that's it for today's video. Remember, budgeting is essential if you want to save money and get your finances in order. By creating a budget and following these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.